If you've ever wanted to create bold, edge-to-edge apparel designs, but didn't want to sacrifice comfort just to get full coverage printing, this is going to be a big deal. Printful just removed one of the biggest limitations in apparel design. Until now, if you wanted all-over printing, you had to use polyester. If you wanted soft, breathable cotton, you were stuck with small print areas. That trade-off is officially gone. Printful just launched their brand new all-over cotton collection, and for the first time ever, you can create full coverage, edge-to-edge designs on real cotton apparel. I'm actually wearing an all-over print hoodie right now, but I made it before the cotton collection was available. What's crazy about this is that the level of all-over cotton printing requires industrial equipment so advanced it costs as much as a house. I'm not exaggerating. And I know that because last year I actually flew to Latvia and toured a Printful production facility in person. I saw the machinery, I saw the workflow, I saw how precise and dialed in their cut and sew process is. It completely changed how I look at what's possible with print on demand. This is not basic entry-level equipment, it's serious manufacturing infrastructure, and we get access to it with zero upfront investment. The new all-over cotton collection includes 3 core products. First, the all-over cotton t-shirt. It's lightweight, breathable, but bold and fully customizable. Second, the all-over cotton hoodie. It's premium comfort with complete design freedom. And third, a cotton-rich sweatshirt that has a cozy, high-end retail feel while still allowing creative, full-coverage printing. This is important because it allows small brands to compete with high-end luxury retailers. You can offer products that feel premium and look distinctive. And when you combine premium feel and unique design, you can justify higher price points. Also, quick clarification, if you're browsing the Printful catalog and see all over synthetic, that's what they've renamed their previous cut and sew sublimation products. The new cotton collection is completely separate, so make sure you're selecting the all over cotton versions when building your new products. Now, let me jump into my screen and show you exactly how I go about designing some of these new all-over print products. So log into your Printful account or create a free Printful account using the link below in the description so you can follow along. Then go ahead and on the left-hand navigation, click Product Catalog. From here, it's gonna load in a secondary sub-navigation, and I'm gonna click all over print. Now, Printful has over 100 all over print products that we can access right away. But the reason I was inspired to do this video was to show you the all over print cotton collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the banner at the top, and I'll also drop a link directly to this collection underneath this video so you can go and check it out for yourself. So here you can see the all over print unisex cotton hoodie, the all over print unisex cotton sweatshirt, the youth cotton crew neck t-shirt, the kids cotton crew neck t-shirt, the women's cotton crew neck t-shirt, and the men's cotton crew neck t-shirt. So currently, as I record this, there's 6 different products. I want to show you how I would go about designing one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and click the men's cotton crew neck t-shirt, and then what I'm going to do is hit create product template. The first way to create designs here in Printful is easy. You can go ahead and upload any graphic of your choosing. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a graphic from a previous video where I used AI to generate these pink ghosts that are reading books. Then I'm going to go ahead and click pattern, and under pattern type, I'm going to hit brick. And from here, I can play around with the spacing. I can make it really tight and overlapping if I want to. That's an all over print, or I can space it out a little bit. And by the way, if you want to leave spacing, you can also on the left-hand side, go ahead and click fill, and you have the ability to change the whole color of the shirt. So make sure that, you get it exactly how you like, because Printful makes it very easy to customize things natively in their app. The other thing I would mention is up here, you have to remember to add your design not only to the front, but to the back and to the left sleeve and right sleeve. The second way I like to create all over print designs is using a tool called Repper. Now, I've used it in a few videos in the past, and it seemed to get a good reception from you guys. So I wanted to remind you of its existence because it's really cool. So all you have to do is upload a graphic, but it doesn't need to be a transparent PNG. For this demo, I actually uploaded a snowman kind of embroidered yarn design. It looks 3D too. I love that picture. And Repper turns it into patterns, but using AI, it has so many possibilities. Let me show you. So in the top left corner, make sure pattern is selected, and then under tiling, go ahead and open that up, and you can actually just hover over the different examples and see what it looks like in real time. And really all you're looking for is the pattern that you think is going to look best based on your end goal. What product are you going to sell it on? I think a lot of these, like for instance, this looks nothing like the original, but I think it's really cool that Repper's able to generate this. And again, they're seamless. So this is going to go ahead and tile perfectly for any size product, whether it's a t-shirt or a comforter. Okay. That's one thing to keep in mind when you're looking at these. And also one thing that's worth noting is if I was to select even the craziest looking one, like this bloom one, well, over on the left-hand side, you can change how it's cropped. Do you see how I'm doing that? And I'm selecting portions of the graphic. So you can see I can like kind of sneak in the snow snowman face. So there's so much you can do here with Repper. You can change like the rotation, the repetitions. So all of those things too are customizable, and that's on a pattern to pattern basis. So I wanted to make sure that I made you guys aware of this. This is called cross weave. I'm gonna go ahead and try to include more of the snowman there. Really whatever I think looks best. Also, there's other types of tiles. Those are all seamless. There are seamed patterns as well. So if you click seamed, then you get, rectangular grid, which is essentially just the original photo that I uploaded. Oblique grid, so it stretched it. Diamond grid, hexagon grid, playing cards. Okay, you guys see there's a lot of potential. Some of those products that are lesser known in Printful's catalog, you might be able to service with the same graphics that you're using by using Repper and then just kind of coming in and playing around. For instance, Cloverfield. Let's mess around with something like this. I can go ahead and, again, change what portion of the snowman is getting included. So if I want the face so that it's at least recognizable that it is a snowman, I can do that. I can go ahead and again, change the cropping as well. All right, I have complete control. You can even rotate it. Okay, never mind. Rotation's not working on Cloverfield. Let's look at a few more. Okay, what about this? Bonbon? How about Bonbon? All right, let's work with something like this. And I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. How about that? And from here, all I need to do is click export in the top left corner and then click the export button in the bottom left corner. And if you guys are liking what you see here in Repper, I'll put a link to it in the description. So now that we've got our design built in Repper, all you have to do is upload it to Printful and then go ahead and add it to your product. Now I'm gonna go ahead and select this image. I'm gonna scale it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click pattern. Now there's different ways again to pattern things here in Printful. I'm gonna go ahead and use the reflect option here, and I'm gonna go ahead and test out how I think that works by hitting the mockups option in the top right corner. This is a great way when you're creating designs to confirm, and it does a really good job, about as good a job as you could possibly do, of giving a preview of what this is gonna look like when the finished product is printed. So take a look behind me. I love how the pattern looks, and it also serves as a reminder that we need to remember to upload this pattern to the back and to the sleeves as well. And then I'm gonna check the mockups one last time after setting up the design on all of the placements. You can double check the back of the shirt, the front of the shirt. Obviously I can see the sleeves as well. Printful also generates mockups of a model wearing the shirt and what the finished product's gonna look like. And if you like what you see, you can go ahead in the bottom right corner and save to templates. And from there, you're gonna be able to publish this to your Amazon store, your Etsy store, and anywhere else that you integrate with Printful. And Printful supports a lot of direct integrations really quickly. I'm gonna come over here to stores, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit choose platform and show you just how many platforms that they integrate with. So you can see Shopify, Etsy, Squarespace. You can build a quick store, Wix, WooCommerce, Amazon, okay? You can do eBay, TikTok Shop, BigCommerce. There's a million options here, guys. So definitely don't sell yourself short when it comes to marketing your products. I find the easiest way to get them in front of customers is to just post them everywhere. Anywhere that ranks on Google, I want my products to be made available. And just like that, you've got a fully customized edge-to-edge cotton garment ready to sell with no inventory, no minimums, no equipment costs. We know those are high, and no risk. Printful handles the printing, the fulfillment, and the shipping. You focus on the design and brand building. This unlocks a different level of print-on-demand positioning. Instead of competing with simple chest graphics like everyone else, you can create a more immersive design with patterns, with textures, with storytelling pieces, whatever's relevant to your niche. If you're serious about building a real apparel brand and not just uploading basic designs, this is the kind of product that can set you apart from the average seller. I really believe this collection changes the game for print-on-demand creators who want to move into a premium territory, who aren't afraid to charge 30 or 40 bucks for a product. If you want to check out the all-over cotton collection yourself, I'll have a link below so you can explore the catalog and start experimenting. And if you want to see more strategies like this that help you build a real brand with print-on-demand, make sure you're subscribed, because this year especially, the gap between basic sellers and premium brand builders is only getting wider. I'll see you at the next one.